So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Aatma. Today I will gonna show you how to add tags on your live stream video for grow your YouTube videos and your channel. This is the simplest trick in 2020. Just follow me step by step. First we have to go left of screen, so let's get started. First we have to open a Chrome browser, then go to YouTube channel and click on add video and go live options. Then click on live now, right now, and we are using streaming software. Then there is a many option: title, description, public, private, etc. We click on setting. After that we click on for tags or other details, visit YouTube studio. We click on it. Okay, and there is a many option: your title, your description for making professional live stream video. And after that we add tags for grow our YouTube videos and YouTube channel for live stream. Depend on our YouTube content, we can add tags, and we just click on save. Click on save. After that we can go live. I am using here OBS Studio, a streaming software, one of the best streaming software, free of cost. And we just go live through streaming software OBS. And we are live now. As you can see, we are live now. You can just end stream. So that is my video, and thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.